Hey, what's up again, YouTube? Today we have another hit. What up, everyone? We have another install. This time on our good friend Kellie's BRZ. Kellie is an awesome friend, and her BRZ build is like none other. In another video that I posted, I've taken her BRZ under my wings and, along with help from a few friends, put work on Kellie's BRZ, such as installing a reverse camera, along with a full detail and ceramic coating. Follow Kellie's BRZ build on her IG. I will leave a link in the description below. What are we gonna do today? I will show you in a bit. Alright, so what I have in front of me is another Chasing Js titanium part. This time for a BRZ. I got this for Kellie on her birthday, which was a couple days ago, or maybe today. So we'll do like a quick install, and hopefully this will help you out.
Oh shit, I'm in here. Goddamn.
Hey, you might as well be in the video already.
What? You gotta edit that out? Oh my god.
No way.
I was like halfway in there.
That's good. You're doing your confidence.
Of showing my weenus? Huh? Yes. I'm very confident about my weenus.
Alright folks, there you have it. The Chasing Js alternator or pulley cover for the Subaru BRZ. Wasn't a full install video, just a quick see, but it looks nice along with the carbine titanium struts. Kellie's got work in her hands. Say hi, Kellie. Everybody say hi. Alright, you can close the hood. Oh my god, what is that? Shocking.
Oh my god, Becky. What is that?
Oh my god, Becky. Look at her butt. But nah. I mean, to add to the Chasing Js titanium cover, Kellie has a Barris carbon fiber hood. Vented carbon fiber hood.
It's the second version because it has that puka.
But it looks dope. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. If not, that's okay too. I'd like to hear your comments, so please do so. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Check out Chasing Js on their website for more good old titanium products such as these. Thanks to Kellie for stopping by. I will see you again. Peace and aloha.